Hello and welcome to Gotta Love Carpet Pythons. My name is Gay Feather and on with the video. Good morning. Well, morning here. Basically, the light's out in Lily's enclosure, as you can see. I want to talk about cognitive behaviour in your snakes. And I'm going to recommend a channel also during this video that I would like you to go and take a look at. But basically, a cognitive behaviour is something, not necessarily that, well, it is about what you've taught your snake to do, but also I think what your snake has learnt themselves to do to make you cognitively behave in a way that they know this is going to happen. If I do this, excuse me, I've woken up with a bit of a croaky voice, but basically, and it's early, I've only really just got up, and as you can see, Lily has been, well, you can't see, but now you might see Miss Lily, who has been at her door. And I've been contemplating, open it up, no, don't open it up, just hang in there for a little bit longer till Mum wakes up a bit, Mum. But cognitive behaviour does exist with your snakes. And the channel that I'm going to recommend that you go and take a look at will show you exactly more so what I'm talking about. Because, and I will mention her name, Laurie, does a lot of training with her snakes. Of course, I am not that way. I guess in certain ways I am. Lily knows her boundaries in this room, and that has been learnt by my actions and what I have done with Lily over the years to tell her that that's a no-go zone. No, you are not allowed to go there. Now, not many of you believe in this at all. I get it. Not many of you understand that snakes have any ability, I think, at all to think, feel, know, care, give a damn. I guess the same thing, isn't it? But I think it's about people not giving a damn, in actual fact, whether their snakes have this ability or they don't have this ability. And and I've said before, it's a real shame, because it is a real shame, an absolute shame for snakes that are in captivity. You know, if people stop and remembered, they didn't ask to be in captivity, and yet we've done it. We've put them into captivity for all the reasons. Oh, it's you know, these animals are going to go extinct. I don't know. Snakes have been around for a long, long, long time, and I'm sure they'll continue to be around for a long, long time. And I do know some are in low numbers, and yes, they most definitely need to have more of those in captivity. I guess I can only speak from the fact that, our carpet pythons here in Australia are thriving. But that's not the subject. That isn't my subject. My subject is their ability to cognitive learn things. The behaviour that comes from that cognitive thinking of a snake. They know. You show them something and you are consistent with showing them something, they will learn what it is that you're showing them. And as much as I would love to do the things that Laurie is doing, it is what she is actually specialising in. I'm not. I am very much a behaviourist, yes. I see more about behaviour in my snakes because that's who I am and that's what I've chosen to do. But I've also chosen to look more into their emotional levels, that they do have emotions, which, I've been saying for years that they do. And people scoffed at it. People laughed at it. People said what a load of cogswaddle. They're instinctual and they're nothing. There's nothing more. There's nothing else that exists with a darn snake. You have got it so wrong. As much as I heard them say they're deaf, they don't have ears. Well, we've since learned that they do. Has that made anybody talk to their snakes any more than they did before? No. PJs on. Okay, PJs. But it hasn't made people talk to their snakes anymore. At all. So what is it that people have to do? What do studies? What is that? Studies of snakes. What is that going to do? I really want to know. What whoopee do? You can do all the studies in the world, man, and I ain't going to change my view on snakes, okay? They don't hear, they don't think, they don't nothing. They eat, they poop. Yeah, and I'm sounding really, yeah. But I continually keep telling people that there is so much more. And why aren't people changing the way that they do see their snakes? Why aren't they changing the way? I'd really like to know. Is it laziness? Is it just pure laziness? Is it because there's only a few that truly believe what I've been showing? I don't know the answer. I wish I had the answer. I wish I knew what one thing or what things I could show and tell and so forth. I have shown a paper on how snakes feel. Oh, you're lovely and warm, Missy. And no, you're not going to go nowhere. You see, she's learnt a new path. And that is going up and around and over and up that way. And I don't particularly want her to go that way because of the fact she will knock things over, won't you, Lily? With your great big long body that I don't think that she's really aware of. She's only really concentrating on where she wants to go and not that the rest of her body is going to knock things over. But back to this subject, because it's a serious subject and it might get up my nose. And I think after 3 odd years of doing videos and then proving over and over and over again, and still people they're the ones that are deaf, blind. Don't want to hear it. I don't want to see it. Or they acknowledge it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. But have they changed how they're doing things? No. I've got too many snakes. I can't do that with all of my snakes. Am I saying every snake in the world has the same cognitive abilities or learning abilities? Put it that way, cognitively able to learn? I think they do. I think some may take a bit longer than others to do that. No, I'm not worried about her entering a bird cage and wanting to eat my bird. I don't think her path is food. Lily has never eaten a live feeder in her life, let alone, well, she has eaten chicks, but I don't think Leo's on her menu, actually. But they can learn. It's just us humans haven't learnt yet. That's the thing. It's us. I'm still learning things all of the time. Just I wish people would catch up. That's my whole aim, is to get them to catch up. So talking about Laurie does a lot of behaviour study with snakes. She has done training with her snakes, and it's incredible. She's also a great believer in as I'm trying to get up and early morning, and the body's not what it used to be, but I'm getting there. Has a belief that choice is enormous for your snakes, and it is very much. I didn't drag Lily out. Lily was at a door. I opened a door. That's what I pretty much do. Well, especially my bigger ones. My littler ones, well, Archie comes flying out. Maya will come out. Most of them all come out when they're at their door. Sometimes, yes, I get them out. Sometimes I think I've got lazy bones. You can get lazy bone snakes, and you have to kind of go, come on, dude, it's time to come on out and get yourself some exercise. And Lily, you see, also, this is new. This rug is new, okay? This rug I put down last night. Lily, it's a rug, okay? It's just a new rug on the floor. Lily was laying there in her enclosure watching me do everything last night, guys. You don't think she didn't know I put something on this floor? Do you think... Now, this is new too. So it's a new path to go around and go up. Yeah. Okay, Lil. I know it's new. Does it feel good? Is it nice? Well, it's nice and clean for you to be crawling on. Hey you. We can't see you down there at all. I guess she approves of it. So guys, Laurie's channel is called Torrini. just go and take a peek at it. I think you will learn a lot. Not even if you want to do the training that Laurie's doing. You are still going to learn an awful lot about your snakes. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to go and take a look at. Please say hello to Laurie to me while you're there. She is a lovely person, and I think she's going to do big things. To be perfectly honest, she is also studying all of this herself. She's a very, very busy lady. She takes time to do her videos to show you what she's learning and what she's learned, and exactly, more so than anything, what her snakes have learned. And it's incredible to me. So I'm going to end it here so you all know, I guess, how I feel, where I'm going. Come on, people, open your eyes. Just open your eyes. Give a damn. You know, start giving a damn about snakes in captivity. That's what this is all about. Because some of them lead a miserable life from the day they enter captivity till the day they die in captivity. And that's another video that I'm going to be putting up. So, thanks everybody for watching. Take care. Ciao.